It's a wonderful day in the city of Hong Kong. And our main host today is Honk, the toad. Yay! Alright, Honk, look at me. Honk, you got to run your lemonade stand.
Okay.
Okay, run your lemonade stand. Oh no! And clap. Honk, put him on his lemonade stand. Alright, here comes the fairy princess. Hello, can I have some lemonade?
Sure. Here is your lemonade.
Oh, my lemonade. Okay, thank you. Let's go drink some. The fairy princess.
Sits down and drinks her lemonade.
And since Honk realizes he's not making much money, he goes to feed his babies. Over here. Where is the babies? Oh, here they are.
Hello, babies.
Hi, Dada.
Do you want some food?
Winky made a stinky.
I don't care.
And the fairy princess went to take care of her babies.
La 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 la. Okay, hello children. Do you want me to read you a bedtime story?
And then Honk went down a magic hand that appeared.
Oh, he wants to go in this house. But no.
Oh, put him on the magic hand.
No, not the magic hand.
So Honk is going exploring, and he is going to go look for the elusive stuff.
Oh, I see something in the distance.
He found a squirrel's home.
Okay, and then he decided...
Now I get your shadow out of the shot.
Ryan. And then he decided to deliver his acorn. He decided to deliver his acorn.
Look at him, he's looking at me.
That is how he delivered his acorn.
And then Hank. We're recording Hank.
And then Hank jumped onto the magic hand and he transported him over to his lemonade stand.
And then Honk
went back on.
No, and then Honk sat with the fairy princess.
Yes.
Sit in your chair, Honk.
Oh, I don't think I fit in my chair.
All right. And then Honk went crazy and jumped on the table.
Yeah!
And then Honk got lifted away on the hand.
And now he's going to jump.
Is he?
Jump. He's going to jump.
Pat his butt. He jumps when he pat his butt.
And then the table falls over.
And then Honk goes back in his house for another day. Goodbye, Honk. And then Honk opens the door, and it's like, everybody. It's like, hey, take a look at my butt. And that's the adventures of Honk the Toad.